Let's check map. We are going right way or not. No clue where is the railway station.
We lost the year.
So what happened, Kartivan?
T-Rex in the jungle. Sit up and now, feel the heat on my skin. I'm a T-Rex, baby. Let the adventure begin. Through the leafy green.
So we almost reached Denmark. You can see the coastline area and the city of Denmark. I'll try to zoom. So we reached, and yes, this is our cruise, and we'll see how the city is, where we'll go. We'll keep you updated. Thank you. So we are going to railway station, Frederikshavn railway station. From there we'll get the train for Skagen. In map it's showing 15 minutes walk. So yeah, just following. Its weather is almost same as like Gothenburg, quite cold, no sunny day. Small nice street market. My friend is looking for some good jackets. What do you see? Jacket is good? Huh? Expensive?
It's expensive than Sweden.
Yeah, that's what. Yeah. Okay, check map. We are going right way or not? Streets are really good. Just if you walk, no?
Direction.
No, put in the moving. This side, huh?
This side, yes.
Oh no, oh no, oh no, no.
All the
Yeah, buildings are looking like a nice small buildings. This look like a small city.
they are showing like 30%, 25% is flat. But like you see, like 2,500 sick.
That's what I'm saying. It's a Danish corona. It's 13 times.
Jackets, winter jackets.
So- So roaming around the new city. No clue where is the railway station. Just following the Google map. Thank you, Google.
Again, I come back to Google. So here looks like premium.
Yeah. For me, for some reason, all car looks premium here.
See how wide and
Yeah. Kia EV6. I saw two car which is same as one was Polo. I saw somewhere
Polo is here, yes, I see.
and Micra.
Even I have seen Ignis.
Ignis.
Ignis, yeah, Maruti Ignis. So I have photos also. They have so
I
many
think
variants.
we don't have time, but this is very good place for photos and all. No?
Oh, that's true. Maybe I'll come back. If
It will be late night and dark. It will become dark.
No,
but-
no, I can expose with lighting.
So see, nice building. It's really awesome actually. It's neat and clean is anyways. Complete Europe is, I feel like. Sweden, Gothenburg was like that only. But here what I find, it's little less crowded. Oh,
Right.
you put Frederikshavn railway station only, right? Maybe can you take?
Yeah, let's go.
We have to go straight on.
No, right here, take right.
Right, huh?
Yeah, yes.
in Denmark. We are roaming around the city. We are going to railway station, Frederikshavn, and it's really nice, awesome city. Let's go. Okay, now I'm little getting. We will ask her. Those guys. We'll ask her. Huh?
We'll ask again.
That person was there now.
This what?
It's showing left, right, anything?
That's it, bro. Send it. Bro.
Swift.
Commonly is true, I guess. Here.
So, Maruti Suzuki Swift is here in Denmark. Okay.
Anyhow, we are going to bed.
Yeah.
Not less than
Probably someone is talking. What happened when they are seeing us? Huh? So we reached Frederikshavn railway station. This is how it looks. We'll first buy ticket, man.
A few moments later.
Rana, come. So what happened, Kartivan? We got our train.
1 hour late, bro.
1 hour later. No, it's not. So hello guys. So we kind of messed up a bit. After getting down off the cruise, we need to go to the railway station, and I don't know what Kartivan map put the station. We went somewhere else, and we had a train around 2:38 and 1:38, and we kind of missed that train. Now next train is 2:38, and now it's like a 1 hour. We simply sit on the railway station and just wait for that. And also what we are observing that now means light is kind of getting down, means like it's around 2 o'clock and it's quite getting darker and darker. So I don't think so, even though we get down at Skagen, we will get able to time to reach or like a roam around. So anyway, I'll just show you the Frederikshavn railway station, how it looks. So this is the railway station, and for the ticket, this is ticket booth from where we got the ticket. As you can see, these tickets, no one is there to assist. It's all done ourselves. Little confusing, but still we able to manage. And what we have done, that we took the train ticket for going and returning both, so we won't get that time thing issue. So yeah, that's it. Now we need to wait for almost like right now it's 2 o'clock, 40 minutes we need to wait. So we'll roam around nearby this place only and we'll see. Okay.
I'm a T-Rex, got my feet on the ground, with a heart full of dreams, I'm ready to astound, jumping through the ages, I'm breaking the mold, learning